The rain falls gently, a quiet rhythm from the sky. In this moment, you are safe. You are still. The world outside softens, and your inner world opens. With each drop of rain, you release the noise of the day, the tension, the striving, the doubt. Now's the time to return to the truth of who you are. A magnet for abundance, a vessel of infinite possibility. Let's begin. I am open to receive the abundance of the universe. Prosperity flows to me with ease and grace. I trust that all my needs are met and more. Wealth is my natural state. I am worthy of a life filled with prosperity and joy. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I let go of scarcity and step fully into abundance. I am grateful for all the wealth already present in my life. My dreams are supported by the universe. I attract opportunities that create lasting abundance. There is always more than enough. Abundance is not something I chase, it's something I welcome. I live in a state of constant flow and expansion. Let these affirmations echo in your heart as you go about your day. You are amazing. You are loved. You are abundant. Like and subscribe.